Hey, what is up everybody? So in this video, I will share my favorite accessories that you can try out with the Galaxy Watch 3. Links for all of these accessories are present down in the description of this video. You can check them out. The first accessory that I have is the bezel, and it's from Ringke. I have been using their bezel for the Watch Active 2 for the last couple of months, and it is still present in this great condition. I remove it and apply it again and again, but still the stickiness of the bezel is working well, and I have absolutely no issue with the bezel falling off. So this year I got all the bezels for the Watch 3 from Ringke, and I will use them for different occasions whenever I am bored with my stock appearance of the Galaxy Watch 3. The first one is the black bezel to match with my Mystic Black Galaxy Watch 3. It has these numbers on it, and installation process is also very simple. You have to just peel off the plastic from the back, align it correctly on the bezel, and after that you can gently apply some pressure. That's it. The other bezel that I have are in silver color to match with my Mystic Silver Galaxy Watch 3. I like this simple one without any texture, but if you want to try out some textured bezel, here it is in this silver color option. Moving on to the next accessory, it is the tempered glass screen protector from Ringke, and here in the box we have some wipes, 4 screen protectors, and some dust removing stickers. It is a very high quality screen protector. There is no issue with touch or visibility after applying it. Most of the time I don't use a screen protector, but if you think you should use one, this screen protector from Ringke is best on the market right now. Moving on to the last few accessories, they are the watch bands. The stock band is quite good. It is a leather watch band, but I think it is not good for workout, as the leather will absorb all the sweat. So I use these silicone watch bands. The first one is plain and simple watch band. Also I have this black color band with red thread, and it is a silicone band as well. Similar to this band, I have a leather band that has this carbon fiber texture along with red thread that looks super expensive. Next I have some sport bands that have these holes, so you can get rid from that heavy sweat on your wrist. Also they are super easy to wear with the help of these holes. Here I have 2 colors with these sporty bands. One is black gray color and the other one is charcoal color. Once again, name of all the bands and links are present down in the description of this video. Moving on to the next band, it is a nylon loop band like those present on the Apple smartwatches. It is also very comfortable with a great fitting. Here I have this black color band with dots, and the other one is in purple color. And the next nylon band that I have is this two-tone blue-green band, which I think so is looking quite good as well. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite band from this video. In the last I have this military camo band which has this canvas fabric feeling. It is definitely not an everyday band, but still you can try out this on different occasions. So guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to drop a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.